Welcome back to the Racing Mind video series, where we journey deeper into the human mind than anyone has ever gone before. In this video series, we untangle the ancient mystery of mental illness and teach you what you need to know before your racing mind gets the best of you. This groundbreaking series provides answers to some of the deepest mysteries of the human mind and reveals, for the first time in history, the precise cause of mental and emotional illness and the psychophysiological basis of a wide range of psychiatric disorders and associated medical conditions. These educational videos, which present concepts that are so new that they are just beginning to make their way through the medical field, are based on thousands of hours of direct patient analysis and clinical observation in conjunction with the latest research on psychiatric disorders from around the world. In this segment of this series, we will discuss neuronal hyperexcitability in relation to anxiety disorders. Anxiety is the most commonly described psychiatric symptom. The disorders that are characterized primarily by this symptom include generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder, specific phobias, illness anxiety disorder, OCD, and PTSD. Like nearly all psychiatric symptoms, anxiety is rooted in a hyperexcitability of the neurological system. When anxiety is prominent, as it is in the anxiety disorders, it means that circuit loops in the brain that induce feelings of anxiety are swirling much or all of the time. Also, when the individual experiences something that would normally cause fear or worry, the associated circuits are quick to react and tend to overreact, causing the individual to become even more anxious. Moreover, if the inherent level of neuronal hyperexcitability is very high, or the individual is under a lot of stress, anxiety circuits may reverberate continually, as in generalized anxiety disorder. There may also be brief electrical storms in the anxiety circuitry, causing the autonomic nervous system to drive the pulsatile release of adrenaline, resulting in panic attacks. Which specific thoughts and events in life cause the most anxiety for a given individual is determined by the individual's past experiences, upbringing, and willful choices. Whatever those circumstances might be, the underlying driver of the problem is the failure of hyperexcitable neurons to shut off. As discussed in previous videos, the most effective natural ways to compensate for the underlying gene abnormality include stress reduction, establishment of an early sleep schedule, regular exercise, enjoying a relaxing hobby, avoiding caffeine and other psychostimulants, and minimizing refined sugar. If these interventions are either too difficult to implement or fail to yield satisfactory improvement, then treatment with neuroregulators and other brain-calming medications may be necessary, particularly during high-stress periods in the person's life. In addition, cognitive behavioral and other forms of psychotherapy may be needed to reduce the mental tension that adds fuel to the smoldering embers in the hyperexcitable brain. Control your brain, control your life. We hope that you are benefiting from this video series. Portions of the video and others in this series were taken from the books The Racing Mind and Am I Depressed or Am I Bipolar? Those interested in developing a deeper understanding of the topic can also refer to the scientific publication The Multi-Circuit Neuronal Hyperexcitability Hypothesis of Psychiatric Disorders. Please note that these materials in this video series are for educational purposes only and are not intended to guide treatment without formal evaluation. This video series is sponsored by the Binder Foundation, a charitable organization that is dedicated to the enhancement of human life through research and education on disorders of the mind, body, and spirit. If you have found this video to be a benefit to you, please share it with your family and friends. And please don't forget, your feedback is important to us.